I spoke with a Kaleidoscope user who had a question about why she couldn't get a bat file to play back so she could hear the bat. She also wanted to know why the viewer window was displaying a top frequency of 1,280 kilohertz. She sent me a screenshot of the viewer window, and after some consultation, we realized the time expansion menu was set to 10. What does this mean? Let me explain. I'll open a bat recording that was made at 256 kilohertz sample rate. That will mean the file has a maximum represented audio frequency of 128 kilohertz. But look on the left. The frequency ruler appears to go up to an astronomical 1,280 kilohertz. Something is definitely wrong here. Notice this menu which reads TE10. TE stands for time expansion. This menu has introduced a time expansion factor of 10 to the recording. That's a problem. Somehow this parameter got set incorrectly. I'll reset the menu to TE1, which means no time expansion factor is applied to the file. Now I see the frequency ruler goes up to 128 kilohertz, which is what I would expect. I've got a recording of a bat, but played back at normal speed, the frequency is too high for my hearing. So I'll set this menu to the right of the play button to 1/10. This is the speed menu. I just slowed my file down by a factor of 10. When I select a sequence of bat pulses and press the play button, I hear the slowed down bat calls. So what is time expansion? What is this menu supposed to do? The answer is it speeds the file up. Time expansion is a legacy technique for recording ultrasonic audio. An ultrasonic recorder uses a small amount of built-in computer memory to record a short ultrasonic signal. The recorder then plays back the recording at a fraction of the original recording speed. This slowed down signal can then be recorded by a non-ultrasonic recorder, such as a DAT machine or portable CD recorder. This results in a slowed down recording of the bat. In order to view and work with the time-expanded file accurately, analysis software running in the computer would then speed the file back up to its original frequency. That's what the time expansion menu does in the Kaleidoscope viewer menu. It speeds up a file to compensate for it being recorded at the slower speed. That's why a high sample rate ultrasonic file will look as though it's a really, really high frequency file if time expansion is applied. One last thing to see. In the Kaleidoscope control panel, under the Batch tab and Input Directory, here is another menu called Time Expansion Factor. The menu in the viewer window will cause a legacy time-expanded file to play back at its original speed. The menu in the control panel can be used to convert older time-expanded files to new audio files that are now at their original speed. Now the converted ultrasonic file will have the correct original sample rate and audio frequency and won't require any additional time expansion. Thank you for watching.